What's up, guys? Today, we will talk about Samsung Galaxy A55 full specifications. The design, display, camera, battery, and the performance. The Galaxy A series smartphone's features are cool and the design is amazing and very stylish. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G will blow you away with top-end specs or a remarkably affordable price. If you have a lower budget, you may like the Samsung Galaxy A55. The A55 5G is not the lowest priced smartphone you have ever seen, but it's certainly much cheaper than the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Ultra. The launching date of Samsung Galaxy A55 has not come out. If you have the interest to know the pre-reviews of Samsung Galaxy A55, like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The design of Samsung Galaxy A55. The design of the Samsung Galaxy A55 is good and stylish, mainly because of the color. You can pick up the phone in peach, like we did, as well as black, blue, silver, and aurora. The phone measures is 163.4 x 74.7 x 8.5 millimeters and weighs 185 grams, so we'd call it medium-sized. The materials used in this phone are glass front, plastic frame, and plastic back. It is not so big that it is uncomfortable to use. The right edge of the phone houses the power button and volume rocker, while the USB-C port is exactly where you had expected it to be. You will find a display fingerprint scanner, which we don't see too often in phones around this price. This phone is totally dust-proof and water-resistant, at a depth of up to a meter for 30 minutes. The plastic back also protects it against the minor drops and scratches. I personally rate it 9 out of 10 for its extraordinary and stylish design. The display of Samsung Galaxy A55. The Samsung Galaxy A55 boasts is one of the best-looking screens you will see on a phone for this price. It is a 6.7 inches panel with a FHD Plus resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate. With those specs, the A55 doesn't stand out from other similarly priced phones, but Samsung's display tech is the real champion here, with the Super AMOLED display looking vibrant and colorful. On paper, the A55 has the same display as the A53. The A53 is lighter, but we think that the newer one to be a little lighter. That could be because of tweaks Samsung made to its own displays, or possibly the impact of many months of use on the older phone. The screen resolution of Samsung Galaxy A55 is about 1080 to 2388 pixels. The camera of Samsung Galaxy A55. You will find triple camera in this phone. Samsung Galaxy A55 may have 64 MP f divided by 1.8 with a wide-angle lens as a main camera. Second camera will be 2 MP f divided by 2.4 and the third one will be the same. Also, the selfie camera will be 16 MP 27 mm f divided by 2.4. The snappers take photos that are bright and colorful, which makes shots of wildlife, food, and people pop. There is high dynamic range for a phone at this price, and pictures are sharp too, as long as you take them on the main camera. The light photography is pretty good too. It wasn't quite iPhone quality, but it was better than we've come to expect at this price range. If you look for another phone in this price range, you've probably seen lots of phones that slap on 2 MP macro or depth cameras in order to flesh out the specs list, but that's not the case here. The macro camera takes good-looking pictures of close-up objects, though the lens had a touch of distortion at the edges. The depth camera also produced photos with fairly natural-looking background blur. Now come on video. You can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS or 1080p at 60 FPS on the main cameras, but also on the front cameras. It is rare to see a phone that offers that kind of high-res recording on the front snapper. There is also slow motion and super slow motion, which does exactly what it says on the tin. The performance of Samsung Galaxy A55. The Samsung Galaxy A55 may lap in price rivals in the camera and display departments, but it falls far behind when it comes to performance. You will find Android 12 One UI operating system in Samsung Galaxy A55. In the Samsung Galaxy A53 would often feel slow to navigate. Not all of the time, but frequently. But we expect that the Samsung Galaxy A55 will solve the problem. There is a MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G chipset in Samsung Galaxy A55. Samsung will use octa-core CPU and Adreno 610 GPU graphics processor in A55 phone. The battery of Samsung Galaxy A55. You will find 5000 mAh light polymer, non-removable battery in Samsung Galaxy A55. This phone comes with 5G connectivity and a bright screen. There is no external memory in this phone. The RAM is 6GB to 8GB, and the storage 128GB to 256GB. The phone will last a day between charges. While a day of use isn't bad, mid-range phones often have fantastic battery lives. So, the A55 feels a little limited. There were only a few days when we almost ran out of power while out and about. But that was enough to give us a sense of battery anxiety. Expected that it would take about 2 hours to power up the phone from empty to full. It is too long for a quick early morning pre-work charge, but not long enough to justify overnight charging, unless you want to damage your battery over time. For more updates, stay with us. Like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, please take care of yourself. Thanks for watching our video.